Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Jasmy. I wanted to do a bit of an update. Yesterday I did not do an update, I believe, or I forgot about it, but I'm not sure. But no, wanted to cover it today. I mean, the situation for Jasmy is still very much the same. There is, I mean, I must say that, look, I'm neutral on Jasmy right now. All right, I don't think there's a real trend right now in Jasmy. Like even something like this, like you can see some higher lows being formed here, but in the light of the bigger trend, I still think it's more likely that this is some sort of a bull a bearish flag, right? So some short-term bullish momentum in a bigger downtrend. I think that's more likely than this is a reversal. Now, I do think you need to be prepared for a reversal. And if you watch my last video, you would be, all right? Because what I said there, to kind of refresh your memories, is that if we do get a breakout above 3.3 cents here, so that's this level, if we break out above that level with momentum, I will probably buy. But right now, the situation is just, to me, we're just kind of consolidating in a relatively tight range. Between ultimately 3.3 and so far, well, we're making higher lows, so the bottom of the range is moving up slightly. But what I told you as well 3 days ago is that, well, Jasmy was gaining some momentum, but it was still most likely, and we've seen that 2 times already, that we were just hunting shorts, all right? Because every time that Jasmy has turned relatively bearish, a lot of shorts have been opened. So if I zoom into the 1 hour time frame, for example, what you can see is that here a lot of shorts were opened, and you cannot see that with this data, but I've looked at it before. Then you get a pump, people get liquidated, and the pumpers exit their positions. And then the same thing, and then while the pumpers are exiting their positions, shorts are being opened, they pump it, you get liquidations, and then you see a sell-off. Shorts are being opened, they pump it, and this was the pump yesterday. I'm not sure if we actually got liquidations there as well. No, the liquidations yesterday actually were relatively were minor, but you can see the other 2 times we got big liquidations. Those are the red candles. But that is fairly interesting, all right? Because yesterday then we had bullish momentum without the liquidations. There is a bit of a sell-off here. I'm not sure if we just missed the liquidations or whether this is a real move. All right, because what you can see right now is that we are gaining some real momentum here, and that's interesting, because if we are actually gaining momentum here, then that means a bullish breakout all of a sudden becomes a real possibility. Whereas first of all, I thought it was quite unlikely. So that's kind of what we have to see. I mean, if you look at Jasmy, and if we look at the liquidity levels around the price right now, there actually isn't, like they said that we got some liquidations yesterday, that they were very minor, I would say. I do think we still have liquidity here at the top at 3.3 and 3.25. So I would say that this situation we have right now will continue, and that we will see another pump into 3.2 and 3.3. And I do think right now, because of the gain in momentum right here that we had, when was this? This was actually yesterday morning. Because of that gain, I actually do think that the possibility of getting a breakout above 3.3 is more likely. And if we do get a breakout above that with a ramping up open interest, then we can all of a sudden rally quite hard up to 3.6, 3.8. Very nice rally. So I think the chances of that have increased. But for now, due to the market structure being a consolidation for quite a long period of time, I have to tell you that I still think it's most likely that we'll do something like this. So that we will stay in the consolidation. But yeah, keep your eyes on the open interest, all right? Because this is most likely right now, mainly for what we have seen. But if it changes, like if we do gain more open interest and more momentum here, then all of a sudden the situation can change. Like if we hit 3.3 and we don't lose a lot of momentum and we actually gain momentum, then this becomes more likely, all right? So think about it. It's in general, it's quite logical, all right? But those are my thoughts for now. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.